PowerShell, a powerful command line shell and scripting language, can be extended and customized to work harmoniously with Python. By leveraging Python tools and libraries, you can enhance your PowerShell experience, automate tasks, and streamline workflows. Let's explore some ways to achieve this synergy. Pipx is a fantastic utility that allows you to install Python packages as standalone executables. It ensures that these executables don't interfere with your system-wide Python environment. The rich library, for example, can be installed as an executable with Pipx, and it provides a useful way to display rich content in the console. Here are some examples. Display tabular data from a CSV file with proper formatting. Render Jupyter notebooks directly in your PowerShell terminal. View code files with syntax highlighting. Pipx isn't limited to local installations. It can also run remotely hosted Python scripts locally. The VGET command is an alias for invoke web request in PowerShell. It is a non-interactive utility used to send requests to web pages or web services. In this case, the output from the VGET command in JSON format is piped to convert from JSON. Convert from JSON is used to parse the JSON data and convert it into a PowerShell object that can be manipulated further. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.